Hi, so today I will be doing a bruise here. So yeah, let's get started. So first, what you would need to do is take a sponge, this like squarish one, not squarish, triangular one, or like this slim one, like that, and then a color wheel. I have two, so you can use a darker skin tone or like, well, not skin tone, but like colors, darker colors or lighter colors, or like brighter. I'll be using a little bit of both, so yes. So I think I'll be using mostly this one, but I will use a little bit of this one. So yeah, so first I'm going to use like this little sponge, and then like go like use this one because this one's dirty, then just take your yellow, that should be enough, and then just go like, I don't know, I think I might just
So just like squash it wherever you want to do it, and you need to blend it into the skin, just so it looks like, I don't know, real. So you just need that to be that. You don't need like lots of yellow because like there's quite a lot, and then you just blend
it like that. So after you've done the yellow, go in for a blue, or no, green. So go in for a green. You don't need a lot with this one, so like that much maybe, and then just do it.
on the thing, do like splotches, and just do like splotches, try and get it as blended into the yellow as you can. So maybe like that, and maybe use like a little bit more green if you need it, and you need to use a little bit more green, so just like there, anyway, then you just do that, just like blend it, see that's already kind of looking like a bruise, and if you want you can go for,
If you want to go for a more healed blue bruise, I'd recommend using more yellow, blue, which is actually the next color. So I might go for this sponge just to try something different, just like maybe that, and this will
hopefully act like the veins and like the bruising part of it, and then you just do, when you've done for the last two colours, just blend it all in together, as much as you can. It doesn't have to
be perfect, because see, that's already looking like some. I might need, so I'm gonna do a little bit more.
yellow, just like around the edges, because it can't get rid of it as long as it's blending, so just like go around the edge. There you go, like that.
Now for the last color, you would want to use this red. These are also like the Harry Potter house colors, which is pretty cool. But use some red for the blood. I recommend using maybe that much. There. That kind of looks so. You can, if you want, you can use scar wax. Sorry about that, but scar wax is this. Most of this stuff is from Ben Nye. I hope I said that right, but yeah. So you can use that, but I'm not going to. Anyway, so just like. I might just add a little bit more. Edge. So yes, after you've done that, that's all, and then for alright, so now take some fake blood, some fake, like a container, a stiffle sponge, and some fake blood. You don't have to do this, it's not really necessary, but you can if you want. And just like do a few drops. only a little bit will do, because I probably won't even use it all anyway. I'm trying not to get it on my Apple Pencil. But now just dab it like that, and just like that. Just like there. So that's really basically all you have to do for that, and you're basically done with the bruise. So, and then if you get blood on your hands or stuff, just use a makeup wipe. So I will be also showing you how I take it off. It's pretty easy, but yeah, I'll show you anyway. Yeah, I'll be showing you how to take it off. I really don't want to, but it's only for the tutorial, so I kind of have to take it off. I want to take a picture of it first, can't, but I think that looks like a pretty good bruise. I don't want to wipe it off, but okay. Yeah. Now it's time to take it off. It's not gonna be that satisfying. Ooh, that actually, it kind of just looks like lipstick, but just rub it off. It'll be pretty easy to rub off. And yeah, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to do a fake bruise, and I hope you have a good day. See you later. Goodbye.